Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new session at Hamstech Online Courses. In our previous session, we illustrated the baby Jablas, and in this session, we will be drafting the pattern for these Jablas. Let's take a look at the materials required to draft the Jabla. Brown sheet, L scale, scale, French curve, paper scissors, red marker, black marker, pencil, measuring tape, beaded pins. Let's start the drafting of Jabla. Take a brown sheet and draw vertical and horizontal guidelines using L scale as shown here. Mark the intersecting point as 0. Now measure 4 inches from point 0 on the horizontal line and mark the point as 1. This is for the arm side depth. Measure 8 inches from point 0 and mark the point as 2, which is the body length measurement. Then measure 12 inches from point 0 on the same line and mark the point as 3. This is the length of the Jabla. Extend the points 1, 2 and 3 towards the right side using the L scale as shown here. Next, mark 4.5 inches from point 0 on the vertical line as point 4. Square down the point 4 till the extended line of point 1 and mark the intersecting point as 5. Then, mark 2.5 inches from point 0 and name the point as 6, which is for the neck width. Measure 3 inches from point 0 and mark the point as 7. This is for neck depth, which you can measure as per your choice of depth. Join the points 6 and 7 with a smooth curve using the French curve for the front neckline shape. Next, from point 4, come down by 0.25 inch for the shoulder slope and mark the point as 4A. Join the points 6 and 4A using a scale. Mark 0.5 inch inside from point 5 and name the point as 5A. Join the points 4 and 5A using a scale. Now measure 7.5 inches from point 1 and mark the point as 8. Measure 7 inches from point 2 and mark the point as 9. Now measure 7.5 inches from point 3 and mark the point as 10. Join the points 8, 9 and 10 using a scale. Join the points 4 and 8 using a French curve by touching the 4A and 5A lines for the front armhole as shown here. Next, using the French curve, make a smooth curve at the waistline. Label the details as shown here. The cutting points are 7, 6, 4A, 8, 9, 10, 3 and back to 7. Cut along the cutting points carefully using a pair of scissors. To draft the back part, place the front draft on the brown sheet and secure it with beaded pins. Draw the outline using a pencil and transfer all the points from front draft to the back. Now, extend the points 7 and 6 using a scale and mark the intersecting point as 0. Mark 1 inch upwards from point 6 and 4A and name the points as 6A and 4B. Join the points using a scale for the back shoulder. Using a French curve, join the points 0 to 6A for the back neckline. Next, join the points 4B and 8 by taking 0.25 inch away from the front mid-arm curve using a French curve. Label the details as shown here. The cutting points are 0, 6A, 4B, 8 and the remaining same as the front part. Cut along the cutting points carefully using a pair of scissors. Measure the front and back parts of the armhole curve to draft the sleeve part. Take a piece of brown sheet, draw a vertical line at the center of the brown sheet using a scale. Mark 3 inch on this line for sleeve cap height as shown here and name this point as 0 and 1. From 0, mark 4.5 inches for sleeve length and mark the point as 2. Draw a guideline on either side from point 1 and 2 using a scale. Mark 6 inch from point 0 diagonally on either side of the extended line of point 1. Name these points as 3 and 4. Join the points 0 to point 3 and 4. Now divide the 0 to 3 line in 4 equal parts and mark these points as 5, 6 and 7. In the same way, mark points on 0 to 4 as 8, 9 and 10. Mark 0.25 inch upwards from point 6 as 6A and 0.5 inch from 7 as 7A. 0.5 inches upwards from point 8 as 8A and 0.25 inches downwards from point 10 as 10A. Join the points 3, 5, 6A, 7A, 0 using a French curve for the back arm curve of the sleeve. Now join the points 0, 8A, 9, 10A, 4 using a French curve for the front arm curve of the sleeve. Mark 4 inch on either side from point 2. This is half of sleeve round plus 0.5 inch ease. Name these points as 11 and 12. Join 3 to 11 and 4 to 12 using a scale as shown here. Label the sleeve draft. The cutting points are 0, 5, 6A, 7A, 0, 8A, 9, 10A, 4, 12, 11, 3. Cut along the points carefully using a pair of scissors. There you go. We have completed drafting the Jabla. Now that you have your pattern pieces ready, you will learn to cut your fabric in the next session. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you need any help, you can contact us at Hamstick Online Courses. Building skills, building you.